Hello, coding stars! In this video, we'll build an exciting maze game with unlimited levels in Scratch. Plus, we'll learn how to use a new control block. There are 5 steps to making the game. Step 1. Design the maze and levels. Step 2. Pick a moving character and code its movement. Step 3. Detect when the character touches the walls. Step 4. Start levels and add a countdown timer. Step 5. Move to the next level when the player reaches the goal. Let's get started. First, we need to create different maze levels. We can draw them in Scratch using the Backdrop Paint tool. Let's use the Line tool to design the maze. I've already created 2 levels. Let's upload them. Here's level 1. And here's level 2. Now, let's choose a character to move through the maze. We'll use the Scratch Cat and set its size to 55 so it fits nicely in the maze. First, we add the When Green Flag Clicked block. Since the game starts at level 1, we add Switch Backdrop to level 1. How do we make the cat move? We use a Forever block to keep checking for movement. Inside it, we add if blocks to check if arrow keys are pressed. Right arrow, point 90 degrees and move 10 steps. Left arrow, point minus 90 degrees and move 10 steps. Up arrow, point 0 degrees and move 10 steps. Down arrow, point 180 degrees and move 10 steps. Now let's test the movement. Oops! The cat rotates strangely when moving up and down. To fix this, we add Set Rotation Style Left-Right. Much better. Next, we need to stop the cat from going through walls. How do we do this? Add a Forever block and an If block inside it. Use the Touching Color block and select the wall color. If the cat touches the wall, we move it backward to stop it. Let's test it out. The cat can't go through walls now. Let's add a timer to make the game more fun. Make a new timer variable. Announce the start of the game with Broadcast Start Level. Move the cat to its starting position using Go to X, Y. Set the timer to 5 seconds. Use a repeat until block to count down 1 second at a time. This block keeps running the code inside it until the condition becomes true. Once the condition is met, it stops repeating. In this case, the condition is when the timer reaches 0, so I add a timer =0 block inside the repeat until condition. When the timer reaches 0, broadcast game over. Let's add a game over sound, a message, and a stop all block to end the game. Let's test it. Now the game ends when time runs out. Now let's make the game switch to the next level when the cat reaches the end. How do we do this? Add an if block inside the forever block. Use the touching color block to detect the goal. Broadcast end level when the cat reaches it. Switch to the next backdrop. Add a fun level complete sound. Start the next level with broadcast start level. Five seconds is a very short time. Let me change the time to 30 seconds. That's it. Now the game keeps going to new levels. You can add as many levels as you like by adding more backdrops. Let's make the game even more exciting. Here's a challenge for you. Can you add coins for the cat to collect? Try using a variable to count the coins or play a sound when collecting them. The project link is in the description. Feel free to remix it and add your own ideas. Share your changes in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun coding projects. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.